If you go back to the Audacity page, you'll see this area for downloads to your specific operating system. Since we're using Windows for our demonstration, click on the optional plugins for Windows. Please note that this process is the same for Mac. Scroll down past Downloads, and you'll see Optional Downloads. Pay attention to two things in particular. One is the FFmpeg Import-Export library. If you had a previous version of Audacity installed, make sure this library is operational in the new software. You can install FFmpeg from this download page. Another thing you can do if you have a previous version installed is to go to Edit, then Preferences. Then go to Libraries to see the FFmpeg library. Now, because we see this error message, FFmpeg library was not found, click this download button and that will take you back to the download page. Go to FFmpeg and install the FFmpeg library. Here you'll see the license agreement. Once you've read it, click Accept. Then install the FFmpeg library. Then click Finish to exit the setup. Then you'll go back to edit your preferences. Locate the library where you downloaded and installed your software. Typically, Audacity will tell you where it's located. You can choose to install your valid MPEG libraries manually, or click No to allow Audacity to complete the process. Here you'll see the optional plugins for Windows, and you'll also see popular plugins. You'll find a plugin here for audiobook recordings to comply with Amazon and ACX. Download the plugin by clicking this button. Be sure to make note of the details of this particular plugin. If you have previously installed Audacity on your personal computer, then be sure to read this article on FFmpeg on the Audacity site.